Hello everyone, in this video you will learn my daily routine. My daily routine: every day I wake up early in the morning, I brush my teeth, wash my face and get dressed for the day. After that I have a simple breakfast like cereal or toast. Then I go to work or school. I spend my day doing different tasks and learning new things. In the afternoon, I have lunch and take a short break after work or school. I come home and sometimes I like to relax by reading a book or watching for dinner. I usually have a home cooked meal. Finally, before bedtime, I take quick shower and sleep get ready to sleep. This is my daily routine and it's helped me stay story organized and ready for each new day. If like this video, you don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.